like to invite you to watch a nice video we made for all of our products. So I'm gonna play a video first.
Datacom refers to the technologies, infrastructures, and solutions that enable the management, processing, and transmission of data within and between IT systems. Amphenol offers innovative interconnection solutions for IT Datacom applications, offering technology and products capable of satisfying the increasingly fast, rapid, and innovative needs of the market by covering this demand with a wide range of products. Amphenol's FitMate is focused on fine pitch wire-to-board solution, offer various solutions on different pitch, configurations, and orientation. Amphenol's Peak Power OCP connector system provide the hybrid solution to meet various server system architectures, including Open Compute Project, Open Rack V3, and modular hardware systems. ComboLock is a compact hybrid wire-to-board connector system, hybrid 1.0 millimeter pitch signal, and 3.00 millimeter pitch power configuration with an active latching feature, comprehensive range of sizes and stack heights. Its unique design with an audible click sound enhances the security and ease of use. Bergstick 2.54 millimeters are available in surface mount, through hole, press fit, stacking, and pin and paste versions in single and double row, available in straight or right angle options. Minitech 127 comprises PCB receptacles, IDC receptacles, unshrouded, shrouded, and eject latch headers with straight and right angle. Future HSTAC 0.50 millimeters connector family with 0.50 millimeters pitch enables high-speed data transmission and high signal quality. This high-speed mezzanine connector supports up to PCIe Gen 6, 64 gigabits per second. RotaSense 2 Position Temperature Sensor Connector is a cost-effective, two-piece temperature sensor connector that accurately measures ambient temperatures. It optimizes fan speed, ensures precise control of operating temperatures. Future HSTAC 0.635 millimeters is a modular design for easy selection, combined solution with power, high speed, and low speed signals. Meet PCIe Gen 7 protocol. Battery connectors consist of spring and blade types, available in 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, 3.6, 4.6 millimeters pitch, with 2 to 10 positions supporting up to 10 amperes. These replaceable battery connectors meet new laws and requirements for more sustainable, circular, and safe batteries. Bergstock HS connector provide fast data transmission, high signal quality, and time-proven reliability. Amphenol's Combo Stack and Power Stack are compact, hybrid, signal and power board-to-board connectors. Combo Stack and Power Stack provide high signal and current density with a wide range of stack heights. Amphenol's liquid cooling leakage detection sensor cable assembly provides a reliable and cost-effective solution to detect coolant leaks and ensure system reliability. Liquid cooling plates are widely used due to their efficiency, performance, and energy-saving capabilities. Customized solution. Amphenol's RJ45 modular jacks support both reliable low and high-speed networking with strong signal integrity. Easy to install, they offer versatile options for your design needs. USB Type-C connectors enable space-saving design with speeds up to 40 gigabits per second and durability up to 10,000 mating cycles. Explore Amphenol FCI Basics, complete range of products that satisfy this application and much more.
Okay, thank you. This is a video we just made for the application of what our product can be used. So this could be very interesting, and it can be found in our website. So If you need to check details, you can visit our website. So first of all, thank you everyone to join this webinar. I'm the product manager from Basics BU. My name is Jimmy. Today I'm going to introduce our BU's total solution for AI servers. First of all, I'd like to give you an overview of Basics product. We offer the comprehensive low-speed and high-speed signal connectors and cable assembly solutions, including wire-to-board, board-to-board, I/O, FFC, FPC, and backplane. We have a very strong global manufacturing site. In China, we have Nantong plant. In Europe, we have Besançon in France, and Tunisia and also Tunisia. And we also have Cochin in India, and we have a Sine factory in Malaysia. You can see what kind of products are available in production for each factory. We also provide full life cycle technical support from design to mass production. Now, first of all, let's talk about AI server. Simply speaking, AI server is the supercomputer for AI tasks. AI servers are very different from regular server. In core architecture, AI server use GPU or TPU for parallel computing. Regular server just use CPU for serious transactions. In storage and network, AI servers use high bandwidth memory plus dedicated high-speed interconnect, while regular server just use DDR memory and standard Ethernet. Simply put, AI servers are built for extreme parallel computing. So what's the development trends for AI server? AI servers are developing in three important directions. Firstly, performance and architecture are deep integrated of heterogeneous computing, wide use of chiplet technology, and exploration of in-memory computing to solve data movements bottlenecks. Secondly, green computing becomes core competence. Liquid cooling is mainstream for high-power servers, and energy efficiency becomes a key metric. Thirdly, it will be diverse deployment and edge penetration, separation of the training servers and inference servers, and rapid growth of edge AI server. These are the three main developing trends for AI server. As we can see, the AI server market is fast growing. The market size is expected to nearly double from 2025 to 2028, growing at a robust CAGR of 25%. North America currently dominates nearly half of the market share. However, the Asia Pacific region is the star performer, projected to be the fastest growing market with the CAGR exceeding 26%. EMEA is also growing healthily. This regional diversity highlights the global nature of the AI revolutions. Now let's see what our basics have for AI servers. This is an overview of our product offering. We have board-to-board solutions on the left side and wire-to-board solutions for the on the right side. And we also have some I/O connectors, I/O solutions. We will share the presentation after this webinar, and you can scan that QR code to visit our web landing page for each product to review the details. Now I'll pick up some products to go through a little bit details. First of all, I'll present our leak detection sensor cable solutions. There are three types of cooling system for data center heat dissipation. Traditional way is using fan for air cooling. In most liquid cooling is an option, but it's too expensive and not easy for maintenance. So currently, cold plate liquid cooling is the best and most popular way to cool AI server and switches. Currently, we have 5 types of sensor solutions. As you can see, even they have a different shape and structure, but the working principle is almost the same. There is 2 electrodes pass formed between electrodes 1 and electrodes 2. You see this electrodes 1, 1, and 1, and electrodes 2, 2, 2. As soon as the conductive liquid drops onto the cable, the 2 electrodes will be immediately shorted. Then the resistance between the 2 electrodes will be much lower. Then the leakage can be detected by the system. This is the working principle of this leak detection sensor cable. If we look into details, for Type A cable has the thermopolymer carrier, which is the white color portion, and the 2 black wires are the sensing wires. The sensing wires are wrapped around the white supporter. When the water drops onto the black sensing wires, the 2 black sensing wires will be shorted. Same with this Type B. Type B is the braided material for the insulations. It has the external braided material and internal braided insulations, as you can see. So the water can ingress into inside it, and then the 2 conductor inside it can be shorted if the water ingresses into it. And this type is more flexible, so it can be wrapped around the cold plate. Compared to Type A, Type B is more flexible. So this is a most popular and reliable type for now. FPC type is also being used more and more due to the custom shape, and it's much thinner and wider. We call this FPC type as Type C. And we also have an upgraded version. We call it Type C+. This Type C+ has the coated surface to prevent the false alarm of the Type C, which caused a lot of troubles now. So currently we are promoting to use this Type C+. Recently, we developed a new type, flat type, which is also braided cable, but the thickness is just around 0.9 millimeter. We call it Type D. Compared to Type B, which only is 2.7 millimeter. So this new Type D can be placed in much thinner area, especially on the cold plate. No matter what type of the customer will use, the typical product drawing and photos of our sensor cable is showing like this. Part 1 and 2 is our whiteboard connectors for connecting the sensor cable with the customer's PCBA. And part 3 is the electric wires to connect the connector and the sensor cables. Part 4 is the sensor cable. The length can be customized any longer. Part 5 is the heat shrink tube, which is for protecting the solder joint. Part 6 is a heat shrink tube Part 6 is the adhesive heat shrink tube to protect this area. Part 7 is adhesive heat shrink cap to seal the open wires. And part 8 and 9 are our labels to show our deco part numbers and so on. So this is our leak sensor rope solution. And the second one is our rotor sense connector, which is for ambient temperature measuring. There is then the thermal sensor integrated inside the sensor module and then installed to the board connectors. This is a two-piece connector system, which is easy for maintenance. It has tightening options, help to position in 3 different heights. Can position in the direction where the air temperature needs to be measured, or if the height is limited, like this 20 millimeter or 17.4 millimeter, or just the 10.2 millimeter. Compared to the traditional way, which is using an onboard thermal sensor to measure the ambient temperature, by using this solution, you'll get more precise measurement, because this is measuring the real ambient temperature. This is measuring the air temperature because it's above on the PCB. With this more accurate ambient temperature, the customer can use it to improve the system performance, like check the fan working more accurately, reduce the fan power consumptions, and adjust the fan speed timely to minimize the acoustic noise to improve user experience, and then increase the fan life without impacting reliabilities. Okay, then let's see what we have on our board-to-board solutions. Our board-to-board products are classified by the pitch. Now we have 0.4, 0.5, 0.8, and 0.6735 millimeter and 0.8 millimeter, 1.0 millimeter pitch. We have Berg stack series for general signal connections, and density stack is for high density and higher speed signal connections. And the new future high stack will be developed for high speed up to PCI Gen 7 applications. We also have combo stack. Combo stack is the hybrid solution for power and signal integration. I'm going to pick up some typical products which are widely used in the AI server and the specific applications. The first one is our Conan 1.0 millimeter connector. This is a unique design with an audible click sound, enhance the security of ease of use for the TPM module. We have a comprehensive range of size and stack heights, and it's adopted by OCP. It's OCP spec. Our next product is Berg stack 0.5 millimeter and 0.8 millimeter for baseball management controller board. This is a very mature product with very competitive cost and good quality. We also have some high-speed products for the GPU module. The first one is the combo stack 0.5 millimeter. One of the customer use 6 pairs. You see 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6. This to deliver the high-speed signal and supply power to the GPU. This combo stack has 2 power pins which support 10 amps per pin, and the signal pins is up to 140 precisions, which support PCIe Gen 5. The second one is our future high stack 0.5 millimeter. This product can support PCIe Gen 6, and now we are offering 2-row with stack height of 5 millimeter. This is signal-only board-to-board solution. The signal pins are for open pin field design. That means the customer can do their pin define freely. As we all know, eventually we will need PCIe Gen 7 solution. Now we are developing the future high stack 0.635 millimeter, which will support PCIe Gen 7. This is also a hybrid solution, but its modular design means we can also offer signal-only version. The power pins can support 20 amps per pin, and the stack height is 8 mm. This is under development now. Will be ready in Q3. Let's move to our wire-to-board solutions. Wire-to-board is also classified by the pitch. As you can see, we have very wide range of the pitches can cover almost all of the low-speed signal and mid-power connections applications. I will not go through each product into details, but I will just introduce our Minitech Power and our new fine pitch FitMate and DensiMate. First of all, I'd like to introduce the Minitech Power. And this is now come back to the basics view. This is an unsealed wire-to-board mid-power connectors. The pitch from 3.0 mm and 4.2 mm and 5.7 mm. The bigger of the pitch will support the higher current rating, which is up to 30 amps per pin, and offering various pole configurations, single, dual rows, and standard header options. We have this new peak power OCP connectors. It's designed with fully isolated terminals with a low sum positive latch. It meets OCP Open Rack v3 and modular hardware system architectures, support 486 watts or 864 watts, up to 13.5 amps per contact. We also have this PCIe Gen 5 12-volt system for 600 watt GPU cards. It's 3.0 mm pitch, 9.5 amps per pin, plus 4 signal pins. It can be used for GPUs, gaming consoles, accelerated cards, and GPU PSU. We have a new product line which name is FitMate. This is a fine pitch wire-to-board solution including 0.8 mm, 1.0 mm, 1.25 mm, and 1.5 mm pitch. The single or dual rows with or without active latch, FitMate can cross with the most main competitor solutions. DensiMate is our new launched product. It's targeted for the datacom applications. Based on its reliable connection features, is 1.25 mm pitch, and it's compatible with the Molex MicroLock Plus. You can see we have very good terminal retention force and housing lock strength for stable connections. So this can be promoted as the best choice of high reliable connection needed. And it's better to have everybody know that we not only provide our connector solutions, and we are also doing cable assemblies, intended to provide a one-stop solution to our customers. So you can see this is discrete wire cable assembly. This is a ribbon cable by using IDC process. This is overmolded I/O cable assemblies, and this is e-mobility cable assemblies, and this is FPC cable assemblies by using the board-to-board connectors. And we also have some custom cable assemblies. You can find this success stories on our web. With reference to this success stories, you are able to check what kind of our solution are being used for what kind of customer solution applications, and why they choose our products, so that you can promote similar solutions to your customer easily. Also, on our web, for each product, you'll find all of the information, including our drawings, 3D models, datasheet, product and presentations, and product overview, or even you can do live chat with our technical support team. So please do remember, visit our website or reach out to me directly. Okay, thank you. That is my today's presentation. Eddie?
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Jimmy. Appreciate you going through all that. I don't know how you keep all those products straight. There are so many solutions that you're responsible for. So I appreciate you going through them one by one with us. That was awesome. I do have a few questions here, and I just put a reminder in the chat. If people have any questions that they think of, go ahead and submit them in the chat or using the questions. But I did get a few as you were talking, so I'm just going to dive in. The first question that I got here is regarding to future H-Stack. Looks like it's a board-to-board solution. Do we have any wire-to-wire versions?
Yeah, that is under our plan. We will plan to use the FPC solution for the wire to board connections. We will use FPC.
FPC for the wire to board connections. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Very good. I got two more questions here, and we'll see if any more questions trickle through. But the next question I have is, what's the biggest structural advantage of Type C FPC leak sensor cable compared to Type AB round cables?
Yeah, this is very important because the FPC Type C FPC type, the structure, the shape, and the shape is fully customized and it's much thinner. It's just the 0.3 millimeter, so we can follow customers' requirement to do the custom design to fit into their coat plate for those very thinner space. So this is the strength for the Type C. So Type C is becoming more and more popular.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful. Thank you so much. And the next question I have here, and I remember you had a slide earlier in your presentation about where we're producing or where our factories are. The question I have is, where are we producing our cable assemblies?
Currently, we have Nantong in China and Cochin in India. We all have cable assembly capability in these two factories. But in the meantime, we are also setting up the cable assembly capability in our Besançon in France, in our Besançon factory. So we are targeting to have the cable assembly capability in Besançon, in Europe in this Q4. This is our plan.
Ooh, so that'll be here before you know it.
Yeah.
Only a few months away.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much.